So we got our visitors here for the weekend. We're at the T-dock. Our boat's out here. I'm checking on it. We got the cables to reinstall to get the gear shifter working. Kurt and his brother Derek are gonna work on installing that possibly today. It is a heat wave, so it's like 98 degrees right now. Everybody's trying to stay cool. We're gonna go to the pool in a little bit, but yeah. Kurt and Derek are working on getting the dinghy into the water right now, just so they can at least drop off some of the stuff that needs to go to the boat, like the cables, and we're gonna put our air conditioner in and the generator, so that if we don't spend the night on it tonight, we can do it next weekend when we're back. Blake's gonna go down the slick metal slide here. I said I was gonna do it, and he's like, no, your thighs will squeak. It's not hot. We're trying to convince Tori to go down. There goes Kurt and Derek on the dinghy. Yeah, he's going out there to drop off the cable, and they might start working on it, but I mean, it's like noon right now, so it's super hot. On the boat, it's probably like 200 degrees, so.
Dad really likes working on boat projects whenever he's by himself.
Yeah, then nobody gets in the way. But he'll probably drop the stuff off and then come back and work on it tonight when it's not so hot. And especially if they get the air conditioner installed, he'll do that. So yeah, so they're going out to the boat with the air conditioner and the cables to fix the gear shifting. And it's a little bit lower than high tide right now. So there's lots of water under the boat. It's a pretty active day for boating for how hot it is. Alright, we are at the pool and it is so hot. Oh god, sweat in my eyes from setting off this sunroom here.
No, it's not. It's freaking.
Yeah, freaking hot. Vanny's from the Philippines. She's all like, it's hot, it's fine. But I got the sunshade up. We are got our spot here for the pool, so hopefully we'll spend some time here, cooling off. Blake is watching and playing with little Tori. She's having a great time. I'm gonna go jump in the big kid pool real quick. I gotta get to where my shoulders are under the water because I didn't put any sunblock on. So for the 30 minutes it took me to set up our shade room, I wasn't wearing sunblock, so hopefully that didn't get me sunburned. But the shade room is pretty nice. It's got screen too, in case it gets buggy. Probably won't, but yeah, pool's crowded. It's the weekend. It's 100 freaking degrees, so it's not that bad though. Really enjoying our pool cabana here. It's pretty nice. Got all the shade that we can handle, which is good because we burn easy.
Especially me.
Yeah. Especially Blake.
He's paler than a ghost.
Paler than I am. And then we kiddie pool adjacent, so Tori's having a good time here. Danny's staying cool. Hi, Tori! She's fighting over some boat toys. A little toy boat that's some other kids playing with. But they just left and went to play in the bigger pool. So now she's all like, now whose toys am I gonna take? We spent 4 hours at the pool. The sunshade was very successful. Now we feel like we're dying of heat stroke, so we are heading back to the campsite. This is enjoyable. Nice little breezy cruise in the golf cart. All of our gear. Right, Blake?
I guess.
Alright, so it got too hot for us tired mamas. So we are leaving the dads here. They are going to spend the night on the boat. Kurt's going to take some video for me though, so we'll see how that turns out in a minute.
What kind of music do you think you're going to play, Derek?
I don't know. One bar? I can't even get anything to play.
I can probably do something about that. sitting down here on the boat. We were gonna do some fishing, but
Boats and hoes.
boats and hose. I don't think we'll edit that out, Stacy. We're on the boat here. We got the generator running, the air conditioner's running, and we're just enjoying this somewhat not so hot night.